Give it up for Cerence AI for making 3 significant partnerships. The first is with Mahindra, which selected Cerence Audio AI to power in-car voice interaction in its next-generation electric SUVs, the BE6 and XEV9e. These vehicles feature Mahindra's artificial intelligence architecture, MAIA, which integrates cutting-edge hardware and software to deliver an intelligent, connected, and personalized driving experience. Cerence Speech Signal Enhancement, SSE, will be used to enable clear communication between drivers and passengers and the infotainment system, leveraging advanced acoustic processing and machine learning technologies to provide superior performance in noisy environments. R. Velusamy, president of automotive product development at Mahindra, emphasized the importance of Cerence SSE in ensuring that the infotainment system can hear drivers and passengers correctly, even in noisy driving conditions. Nils Schanz, EVP, Product and Technology at Cerence AI, highlighted the critical role of Cerence SSE in enabling meaningful interaction in the car, decreasing noise, and increasing the assistant's ability to understand the user. In another partnership, Cerence AI has collaborated with Mercedes-Benz to support the new agentic and generative AI capabilities in the next generation of MBUX, rolling out first in the all-new and all-electric Mercedes-Benz CLA. Cerence AI solutions, including speech signal enhancement, cloud-based neural speech recognition, natural language understanding, and embedded neural text-to-speech, will serve as the core input and output mechanisms across 25 languages, enabling seamless interaction across the platform's agentic architecture. Christian Mentz, Chief Revenue Officer at Cerence AI, emphasized the company's unique ability to meet automakers where they are, partnering closely with Mercedes-Benz to enhance customer choice for their drivers. Andreas Biel, Senior Manager Virtual Assistant and Infotainment Experience at Mercedes-Benz, highlighted the importance of Cerence AI's core voice interaction technologies in bringing enhanced intelligence and seamless interaction to their drivers. Additionally, Cerence AI has partnered with ARM to deliver enhanced LLM capabilities at the edge. Cerence AI will leverage ARM's comprehensive software library, ARM Kleidi, to advance the capabilities and performance of CLLM Edge, its embedded small language model, SLM. This partnership aims to optimize CPU performance and maximize compute, making it easier for automakers to deliver the benefits of generative AI to drivers. Nils Schanz, EVP, Product and Technology at Cerence AI, emphasized the company's excitement in partnering with ARM to take CLLM Edge to the next level, setting new standards for performance and efficiency in edge computing in the car. Suraj Gajendra, Vice President of Automotive Products and Software Solutions at ARM, highlighted the importance of utilizing every optimization possible to ensure AI can run seamlessly at the edge. These partnerships demonstrate Cerence AI's commitment to delivering innovative, intelligent user experiences in the automotive industry, and its ability to work closely with leading automakers to enhance customer choice and drive adoption of AI-powered capabilities. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.